preview.
Hi friends, I'm Parikshit from Kids Fun Club, and today we are going to make a monster truck.
Do you have a monster truck?
Yes, I have.
It's far away there.
Yeah, it's on my shelf.
Okay, let's start.
Drawing.
So we will be using Sharpies,
Yeah.
white paper,
First we used markers.
sketch pens.
Yeah.
Now we are using Sharpies. They are really good to draw.
Yeah.
So let's start
Drawing the monster truck.
the monster truck.
Boy, boom.
So wait, let us show you our monster truck. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Parikshit, go and show it to them.
It's very fun.
Ask your mom to get it.
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
Quickly.
And you have to like that.
Come fast, we are waiting. Come on, come on, come on.
Again, calling my mom. That monster truck.
It's here.
No.
Parikshit, come fast.
And
We are waiting. It's over there.
the big one.
And here comes Parikshit's monster truck.
Yeah.
Whoa. This is
a
our
zombie monster truck.
monster truck, and we will be drawing a monster truck today. So let's.
This monster truck we are going to draw.
Woo.
We are going to draw this monster truck.
Yeah, and it does like this. Woo. So let's start drawing the monster truck. So what do we start with?
Let's start with the wheels.
Let's start with the wheels.
Boom.
Let's start with the wheels.
Yeah, a little.
Okay, let us do it like this today. Will that be fun? No. Let's keep it like this.
Like
Then I'll have to then again check it if it's coming. Let's keep it like this. Remake 2 monster wheels.
No, but actually, first we have to do like this a little.
No, let's first do the monster wheels.
We have to do it a little like this now.
We'll do that later. First, let us do a normal wheel.
I made it in the middle.
Change the paper.
And the page.
Okay, so they are not exactly round.
Yeah.
No problem. Let's keep it like that.
Can I make a proper round one?
And this.
Papa, my monster truck is cutting. Getting cut.
And we make another round.
Yeah.
And we will make one more smaller one.
Wow, how
And make
much?
one more smaller one. And then we have a lot of small.
What are these called?
These are the nuts
Yeah.
that holds the wheel.
Yeah, that they made it from.
It connects the wheel.
Are
Now?
you for me?
What do we do next? Now we will make the body of it. So let's start. We make one line like this, and we make another line like this. Be with
One
me,
like this. One like this.
okay?
And like this. These shopping are really good.
Yeah.
I'm not lying.
Okay.
You are also using this.
Yeah, it's fun. It's very comfortable. So these are done.
It is a little more
The
softer
next is
than the sketch pens.
okay. Now this is the truck's body.
Yes, I know.
What do we do with this? Do you know?
This is
Parikshit?
going to be a difficult drawing.
A little difficult. Now
Yeah.
we are gonna make the.
If you are expert at drawings, you can make this.
Even if you're not an expert, but you want to be an expert, or do you become an expert in anything?
Practicing.
Exactly. So Parikshit knows a little bit of things now, isn't it?
Yeah.
How do you know these things, Parikshit?
My mama told me.
Your mom told you. Wow. teaches you so many things.
I learned borrow also. Yeah.
Now this is the back part. We make the back light.
Oh, Papa.
Yes.
See, Papa. My drawing is much better than yours. See, Papa.
Very good.
See, Papa.
Okay, this is done.
What is this? What is this?
Wait.
What is that? Is that the light?
Yes. This is the front. This is the headlight. And this is the bumper that saves.
Why?
Okay.
Go.
Now next.
I don't have space to make my bumper.
No problem. We make it without the bumper.
I have. What is this?
This is where the driver's place.
Such a small place.
Yes. The windows.
Why does the driver need windows?
To get fresh air.
We have something.
What?
What are you making? Some designs.
Yeah. And now we make the shock absorbers. How do the shock absorbers look? Do you know? See, we make two straight lines
What shock absorbers?
and two more straight lines, and then we make some circles.
I know this.
You know it?
Yeah. What are these?
These are circular rings that saves the monster truck from big holes.
I knew this already. Papa, I knew this already.
Now,
You did not know. What are you making? What
I'm
is
just
this for?
finishing it up. Now we make the stand of the back holder.
You can know what is this also? What is this also, Papa?
And we are kind of done.
We are done. Let's make some fire designs.
We can make something else. What do you make?
What can we make?
Let's see what's here. Rock crawler monster truck. So let us make this rock crawler monster truck. We'll write here. Okay.
No, we are going to draw those designs. 4x4.
Okay. So first let us write
Yeah.
R O C K
R-O.
crawler monster.
Crawler.
Don't write.
Why?
You won't be able to write so small. We are done. And now we will be
Okay, I know.
making some design patterns.
And that's a lighting rock crawler.
Okay.
I'm making some. What are these designs?
We'll now color it.
I'm
Now
making
let's-
my designs.
Okay, we have to just do something with the tires also, right? We need to make them stronger. And how do we do that? We make the grips in them. See, like this. We make some extra grips in the tires.
How?
See how I'm making.
My design is done. See, Papa.
Very good.
See, Papa.
What are you doing? Can't even understand that you have drawn a monster truck.
I can understand if you have made a jeep or what.
Yes, I have made a jeep. A monster jeep.
The thing is called a monster jeep.
So these are the grips are ready.
I'm making some fireproof. I'm making some fireproof grips and some waterproof. I made it.
Very good.
Now Now let's color it.
You did the grips
Yes.
so fast
Yeah.
because you did dirty grips. I am doing very minute and nice ones.
So I'm coloring my muscle mark.
See, Parikshit is in so much of hurry to do a bad and a poor drawing. Do tell us, tell us if you liked Parikshit's drawing.
This is how kids draw.
This is okay, but Parikshit is not a kid. He's a 6-year-old boy now.
I am a 5.5.
No, you are not 6 years almost. Only 2 months you will become 6 years.
No,
Yes,
it's in 2 months.
it's only in 2 months. Only in 2 months you will become 6 years.
Yeah. Because in 19 March my birthday is going to come. In 19 March, whole year also will come. But if I'm not going to.
Crawler, monster, truck.
You're
Yes.
so forgetting something.
Woo! I'm done.
You are so forgetting something. Papa, you're so forgetting something.
What am I forgetting? That is a headlight. That remains of white color.
No.
It is a glass headlight, so it remains in white color.
It is not a glass.
Why can't I understand what is your monster truck? Where are the shock absorbers? Where is the wheel? The tires? Nothing can be understood.
Mine is so dirty.
You were making in so much of hurry.
Okay, I'm making another.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, whose drawing is better?
This is
Do-
Papa's.
Do I need to even ask? Okay, this one. Whose drawing is better now?
No, it is yours. Now this is mine.
Okay. So guys, parents, do not forget to share your kids'
Let me
drawings.
see this, please.
Okay.
Parents, do share your kids' drawing with us on Instagram and do tag us at our Kids Fun Club /Kids Fun Club. And we have some drawing books. Go to www.kidsfunclub.com/books and you can get these. I'm not wearing this right now.
No problem. Okay. So, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel and do come back to see our next videos. We are uploading new videos every single day and so many videos on drawings, stories, experiments, games, Minecraft, so many things.
I'm Blockman.
And unboxing.
And Blockman goes.
So, Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel to get all of those fun videos for your kids. So wish you
For you all.
yeah. So have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.